Defiance Memorial Airport, Defiance, Ohio. Automated weather observation 1953 Zulu. Wind variable at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 08 Celsius. Dew point -13 Celsius. Altimeter 30.
Back on 1 Bravo Charlie again. Gonna do the flight back home, the acceptance flight. So far everything's looking pretty good. The wind suck is favoring runway 30, which helps because that's our on-course direction to home. So I'm gonna taxi over here to 30. John's following us. And then we're gonna take off sequentially and cruise back home at 6,500. Thanks again to Marla, Tony, Brent, Christian, all at TAS. You guys rock. There we go, we'll do a quick run up and we'll be back. Defiance traffic, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie's departing runway 30 straight out Defiance. Alright, throttle's coming up to 1700. Mixture's going full rich.
Help me, Jesus.
Bottles. RPMs look good. Fuel flow's alive. 70. 80. 90. Rotate. Tap the brakes. Air coming up.
Defiance traffic, November 682 Lima. Departing runway 30, Defiance.
Man, she is climbing, guys. 2,000 feet per minute in a cruise climb.
What altitude you climb, Chicago?
I'm passing through 35 for 65.
Roger that, we'll go up to 65 as well. Alright, Kevin, we're leveling off at 6.5.
Roger that. Dude, I am screaming now.
What's your airspeed? Your ground speed?
My ground speed right now is 180.
We're only doing 170, so we'll try to catch up to you.
Wow, I could throttle her back.
That'll be necessary.
My airspeed in level flight has never been this high on the indicated. The flight controls being out of rig must have been costing me a pretty penny.
I guess you're hauling. We're slowly catching up to you, but we're only indicating 180.
Yeah, I throttled back just a little bit, so now I'm doing 175.
All right, we should catch up to you soon.
Fort Wayne approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, just north of GWB with request.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Fort Wayne approach, 4646 request.
I'm sorry, say again the code there for 1 Bravo Charlie?
Number 1 Bravo Charlie, squawk 4646.
4646, 1BC, thank you. John, it's 27-2 on the second for Fort Wayne, that's who I'm talking to.
Alright, I'm going to put 27-2 in and I'll monitor that.
Number 771 Bravo Charlie, radar contact 8 miles northeast of Auburn Airport. Say altitude, Fort Wayne altimeter 3045.
Well, 1 Bravo Charlie is the Cessna 310. I'm level at 6,500. And we are a flight of 2. I do have my buddy in a Cessna 340 that's following me back right behind me. He has visual. And we're going to Alpha Romeo Romeo.
Number 771 Bravo Charlie, roger.
Hey, John, you want me to reduce another 5?
Yeah, go ahead. We're not catching you.
Okay, I'll pull her on back. How nice of a problem is this, guys?
Man, that thing's a hot rod.
Yeah, down, I'd say, you know, maybe 8 or 9 below, I can keep up with you, but as soon as you depart there, see you later.
Yeah, pretty interesting at this altitude. I wonder, I'll check what our true airspeed is.
Yeah, I got an app for that. Well, since I just pulled it back, it says my true airspeed is 179. That's unbelievable.
That's getting it in the 310 at 6,500 feet.
Yeah, that's freaking amazing. I am so excited about this.
What's your speed now, Kevin?
171.
All right, we're at 180. I'm just very slowly reeling you in.
I'll pull her back a little more. When you catch up, what side are you going to come on? You're going to be on my right side?
I'm going to be on your right side. Then I'm going to do a flame out snap roll.
Sweet, I got the cameras.
God, what this is.
You still showing a $180, John?
Is that a hotel Papa calling?
Roger that. I'm going to pull it back a little bit more.
That's got to feel good, man.
I wouldn't believe it if I wasn't sitting up here.
And that hotel Papa, where are you headed to today?
You're making me want to be a TAS customer right now.
When we do get caught up before we get back and descend out of 65, I'm going to do a level speed test.
I can throw Dan overboard and see if I go any faster. If you want to.
And while I'm bragging about them, it appears they got my CHT issues under control too. They're running nice and cool now. I had a couple cylinders that were running hot with some inner cylinder problems.
Was that baffling?
Yeah. This is freaking awesome, guys. We got her back.
I just did the calculation. We're at 188 knot true airspeed.
Yeah, I think I pulled it back some now. I'm doing 169 ground. Where are you at on that?
I'm at 181, and I'm slowly coming up on your right wing.
Oh, perfect. Well, I don't quite see you yet, but you can let me know when to start accelerating.
We'll let you know. We're still crawling up to you. Like the fastest queue on the planet, man.
I'll take it. Oh, that makes a cool picture right there.
Yeah, it does.
See ya.
My buddy John.
All right, Kevin, start bringing the power in. I can read your hat, so I know we're close.
Yeah, it's perfect. We're putting some coals to her. Flying formation in Twin Cessnas.
Going to the other side, we're going to get a shot of the plane.
Roger that. I got old George flying for me, so it should be pretty stable.
Is that George Costanza?
I hope not.
2,500 South End Airport is at your 1 to 2 o'clock in 15 miles.
Down to 2,500, That's a good looking shot of 1 Bravo Charlie right here.
Excellent. Is my power setting good for you?
Yeah, this works pretty good.
Nice. Yeah, right now it says I'm truing 182.
That's perfect. I'm gonna try to slip underneath you and get back to the right side of the plane.
Roger that. Man, this is so cool. You don't see Twin Cessnas flying in formation very often.
So this is one for the books for sure.
Guys,
Have a good day.
check this.
787, Mike Sierra, good day.
My indicated airspeed is about 10 knots, 10 miles an hour, 10 knots more than I was used to before. So right now, our true airspeed is about 185 knots. That is freaking awesome. We got just a normal cruise power setting, about 23 inches and 2350 on the RPM. Well, if we don't get the Bravo clearance, I'm just going to stay south of the Bravo, so I'm probably not going to go direct. It'll be more like Chicago Heights Joliet-ish, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm glad you turned those LEDs on when you see how good they look.
You can see them good in the daytime?
Oh yeah, bright as day.
Awesome. Well, I guess at this point, there's no point in ever turning them off.
That's the way I feel about it.
John, I'm going to leave the freak to get the ATIS real quick.
That's that.
For airport information, Quebec, 1952 Zulu observation, wind 180 at 12, gust 20, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 9 dew point -10, altimeter 3040.
It's Quebec, the altimeter is 3040, and the winds are 180, gusting to 20.
Yeah, we should probably scrub the idea of landing in formation if the winds are that strong.
Yeah, I agree. Beautiful, lovely Gary, Indiana in the backdrop. Huh. There's Chicago, if y'all can see it off the wingtip. Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie 6500.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, Chicago Midway altimeter 3040.
3041 BC.
1 Bravo Charlie, my flight plan shows there's 2 of you, but I got 3 transponders. Is it just 2 of you?
Yeah, there's just 2 of us. I told him to go to standby on his, and I only got the 1. Is that not the case?
I'm showing, it's kind of hard to see here, but oh, there we go. One of them just peeled off there. So I just had 3 initially, so.
Roger that.
There we go, problem solved. Looks good now.
Okay, thanks. John, we're on 1935.
1935.
And for 1 Bravo Charlie, do we need to stay south of the Bravo, or could we get a clearance to clip it?
November 1 Bravo Charlie, flight of 2, cleared through Chicago Class Bravo airspace. Get on course.
Okay, we're going on course. Thank you much. 1 BC, clear through Bravo. Hey John, we got a Bravo clearance, so I'm turning right direct to Aurora. Shallow turn.
Saratoga 5170 Juliet, Midway altimeter 3039er.
And 1 Bravo Charlie flight will take lower whenever it's convenient.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, roger, altitude 0 discretion.
1 Bravo Charlie, roger, we're starting down.
Up to 4464, traffic no longer effect.
Hey John, I'm going to set a 500 foot per minute rate of descent.
012 Southwest 4464. Where do you want to go down to?
I'm just setting it for 2500 now. I'll probably throttle back too because it's going to get pretty bumpy and I'm going to be in the yellow arc.
November 1 Bravo Charlie, contact Hodnick on 133.5. See ya.
Switching Hodnick, 1 Bravo Charlie, see ya. Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie flights 5500 descending with Quebec.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, flight Chicago approach, thanks.
And 1 Bravo Charlie flight's got the field in sight.
November 1 Bravo Charlie flight, frequency change to Aurora is approved, contact them 120.6.
20.6, see you Dan. Tower Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie flights 12 miles to the southeast, inbound for landing with Quebec.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower flight. Enter the left downwind for runway 15, report midfield.
Left downwind, runway 15, will report midfield, 1 Bravo Charlie flight. And for Tower, the 1 Bravo Charlie flight, when we get to downwind, we'll just be 2 separate flights. Lead will be 771 Bravo Charlie, and number 2 will be 6827 Lima.
Copy, thank you. 1 exit Echo, say request.
1 Echo, we just wanted to say hi to 1 Bravo Charlie, we're a fan.
And 1 Echo, you can give your shout out.
1 Bravo Charlie, just wanted to let you know we're a fan. Appreciate what you do.
Hey, thank you very much. Just got her back from a long, extensive annual, so I'm pretty excited. We'll be getting back at it hard here.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you very much. 1 Bravo Charlie's downwind, 15.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, extending downwind, I'll call your base. Got quite a long final at the moment.
1 Bravo Charlie, no problem, we'll slow up.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, you're going to be number 2 following Cessna traffic on a 2-mile final. Should be passing off your left wing here shortly. Report traffic in sight.
1 Bravo Charlie, Italio.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, number 2 following that Skyhawk, runway 15, clear to land, wind 20011, gust 19er. You're going to be inside of a Cessna on about a 7-mile final.
1 Bravo Charlie, copy all, number 2, clear to land, 15.
Aurora Tower 261 Bravo Alpha, holding short, runway 15, ready for takeoff.
First 261 Romeo Alpha, Aurora Tower, hold short, runway 15.
Tower, turbulence 428 Romeo Alpha, 10 Southwest, landing Romeo.
Alright, we got gas. Fuel pumps are on low.
Tower, enter midfield.
Fuel's on the mains.
Runway 15, report midfield.
Fixtures are pretty good.
Midfield, 428 Romeo.
Props are set.
Sirius 1 Romeo Alpha,
base.
to verify, hold short, runway 15.
We got a landing clearance.
We'll close show 151 Romeo Alpha. 27 Lima, requesting call our base.
27 Lima, affirmative, I'll call your base.
Tower 2 to Alpha, following 310 in.
Cessna 2 Juliet Alpha, affirmative, follow that Twin Cessna runway 15, you are clear to land, wind 19015, gust 20.
Follow 310, clear to land, 15 to Alpha.
Number 27 Lima, you're going to be number 3 following a Skyhawk. They're off your left wing on about a 4-mile final.
27 Mirage, looking for the traffic.
4 Lima Alpha, this will be a full stop for us. You want to stop at Bravo 4?
4 Lima Alpha, affirmative, right at Bravo 4.
4 Lima Alpha.
4 Lima Alpha, right at Bravo 4, contact ground 17, no delay off the runway, please.
Over to ground, no delay off the runway. Thanks for the help.
Gear down.
Number 27 Lima, start to base.
27 Lima, turn base.
Number 27 Lima, Cessna traffic you're following is on about a 3.5-mile final. Number 3, runway 15, you are clear to land, wind 19016, gust 20.
7 Lima, 15.
Oh. Got a little floaty, guys. It's been a long time since I've landed this plane, and that was terrible.
And 1 Romeo Alpha, just the heads up. We don't want to overheat, so whenever you're ready, we are ready to take off.
First 1 runway Alpha, copy. Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, left turn runway 9er, contact ground point 71, clear the active.
Left on 9, ground 1 clear, 1 Bravo Charlie. Thank you very much. See you, George.
See ya.
Aurora Tower to Defiance 789, Mike Alpha, 10 to the southwest, inbound for landing with Romeo.
Ground, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie is on 9, going to Skyhaven.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora ground, welcome home. Taxi to parking via 9er, all the way to the end, cross runway 18.
9 to the end, cross 18, and taxi to parking. Great to be back. Thank you. That was nice. I think John got to go around, guys. We didn't listen to it, but there he goes.
Cross runway 9er Bravo to Alpha, port short of 152 Juliet Alpha.
Looks like we're going to beat him to the cocktail bar. As always, guys, thank you very, very much for the support. We truly appreciate it. Jamie and I will be going to Sun and Fun in about a week or two, hopefully, down in Florida. So look forward to that. Thanks again to John for taking me to Ohio to grab my airplane. And thanks to Tony, Marla, Christian, and Brent at TAS for the exceptional service and all the exceptional communication and everything with this annual. It was a big annual. We'll go into further detail about that, or we already have, one of the two. Until next time, we'll see you guys around. Bye.
Going to Sky. November 6827 Lima, Aurora ground, taxi to parking via 9er, cross runway 18, all the way to the end. Lima 9, cross 8, Defiance 18. Is there a party over there? Yeah, come on over.
Cigars.
You know that Turbo Lance is going to get to the bar before I do.
The 310s are already too deep.
You didn't go around for Juliet Alpha. How about that? Bring kids beer. Thank you.
All right, guys, back in the hangar. 1 Bravo Charlie's where she should be, back home. And I'm just going over some of the numbers here in the book. And the new empty weight came out at 3716 pounds. So we gained 71 pounds of useful load, which is awesome. And the plane's about 5 to 10 knots faster. I'm going to have to analyze some data to determine what that is over a couple of flights. But evidently the flight controls were definitely out of rig on her. And now she's flying a lot truer. So 2 thumbs up for the annual there at TAS. And stay tuned for some more flights. Thanks, guys. See you soon.